Hello all, welcome to the making series of rice noodles or kullai. And thank you for clicking on this series. I welcome you all to join our rice snack kullai preparation from scratch. When it comes to summer season, kullai, papad, chips all are on high demand. These all are sun-dried recipes come in snacks and papad category. It is mostly made in Maharashtra, Gujarat and other warm places of India where sun is at high during summer. Let's talk about the ingredient. There is a various version of kullai. It can either be made from wheat or rice. To make the wheat kullai, this is a 4-day procedure. While we can prepare the rice kullai on the same day. So prepare what is convenient and suited you most. However, wheat kullai is tasty and healthy. So I am going to tell you a quick steps of wheat kullai. For wheat kullai, we have to soak 2 cups of wheat in water for 3 days. While change the water twice in a day. Friends, it is very important to change the water every day, otherwise it gets sticky and smell. On the 4th day, wash the wheat thoroughly and grind the wheat. Keep for a rest about 15 to 20 minutes. Get rid of excess water which arises on the surface. This grained wheat is also known as satwa or kwachachik. Now it's time to cook. In a deep vessel, boil the water double of the wheat mixture. Add a pinch of salt and a pinch of alum. Mix well. Add the wheat mixture and bring it to boil on a medium flame till it gets transparent. If you are thinking about time, then approximately it is about 8 to 10 minutes. When it gets cooked, allow it to cool. The mixture, which is of thick consistency now, also known as ukar, let's transfer it to the noodle press machine or murukku. Now on the thick plastic sheet, make your design or make spirals. Let it to be dry in the sun for 1 day. Store in an airtight container and fry or bake as a snack. It can also be served with dinner. Wheat kullai is time taking, but still it is traditionally made by Dadi Nani and other chefs every summer. Very few households now make these authentic dishes. It may be sound bit tedious task, however if the things are well organized and you have helping hands, this can be a summer holiday. However, the rice kullai is less time consuming. My daddy, mummy making rice kullai together. I invite you all to join us. Here I share the basic idea. You may increase the quantity of rice. Friends, here I want to share you trick that you have to remember. Rice and water is in ratio of 1:2 and sometimes it may be 1:3. I will explain all in detail. Take 2 bowls of rice flour. You can easily prepare rice flour at home. Just simply take a 2 bowls of rice and grind it in a mixer. Now add a rice flour to the cooker. If you don't want to prepare in a cooker, take deep vessel. Now add 4 bowls of water and pressure cook on a 1 time high and then medium flame. Here we follow the 1:2 ratio. For the 2 bowls of rice, we are taking 4 bowls of water. If you cooked it in a deep vessel, then cooked it for about 8 to 10 minutes till it gets thick like a dough. Now when you find it gets thick like dough, transfer it to the plate and let it cool down for 15 minutes. We need a lukewarm dough so we can get a fine shape. Here is a second trick for you friends. If the mixture is get very cool, we can't get the proper shape, so make sure it is lukewarm dough. Now we need a thick plastic sheet. If you found the weather is not favorable, then use a metal plate. Just grease it with little oil and we have to dry under fan for maybe 3 to 4 days. But if you get a sunshine, it just get 2 days for drying. To make the design, fill the dough in a noodle press machine or kullai machine. We call it murukku. Make a spiral or your shapes. Children are also enjoying this process. If you don't have a noodle or kullai machine, make the cone of a plastic sheet, fill the dough and place into a shape of your choice. Place in the sun to dry. After drying, place in an airtight container. On mealtime, frying or bake and enjoy. I hope you find this series helpful. Let's make kullai at home. Let us know how it's turned out. We would like to hear. Thank you for joining us.